Demo of TrineFix appointment and task mover. In this example, I had planned to paint my house and garage the upcoming weekend, but I have to postpone it for 2 weeks. That means that I have several tasks and several appointments that are occurring in this upcoming weekend that I want to move 2 weeks into the future. So I press the start button. First thing I do is to select the start of the selection I want to move. That means the upcoming Friday. And then I have to select the end date of the selection I want to move. That means Sunday. And now I have to point where I want to move it. I want to move it 2 weeks into the future, so I'm going to select September the 3rd. And then you will see plus 14 on the screen. It means it's going to move those tasks 14 days into the future. And now I'm on the preview screen. At the top you will see the selection I made, 20th of August to 22nd of August. And it says plus 14 days. I'm going to move that selection 14 days into the future. And then everything that occurred on 20th of August will be on 3rd of September. Everything that was on 22nd of August will be on 5th of September. And then you see in this heading 11 appointments. So I got 11 appointments in that selection that will be moved and 3 tasks. Now I can cherry pick which ones I want to move. And I don't want to move that one and not that one, because those 2 I will do anyway. And then it's just clicking move, and everything's been moved. A brief walkthrough of the preferences in the program. You can change the language. Normally we would have that to automatic. I have now set it to English because my phone is Norwegian, and if I set it to automatic, everything will be gibberish for most people because it's in Norwegian. I'll put it back to English. And you can actually select German or Norwegian in addition to English. And you can also determine how the dates and times will be formatted. Normally you would just have it on automatic, and then you would use your phone settings. You can show or hide scroll bars. You can change the skinning, that's the colors of the program, if you like to have different colors than the default. And then you can go to the forum to watch this video and ask a question or write a comment, or you can tip a friend by sending an SMS. And now the more important settings. There's 2 settings that are related to the functionality of the program. One is what kind of item types you want to move, appointments, tasks, or both. It's pretty easy to understand what it does. And then you have the other one, which is movement type. When we moved data earlier, I started with selecting start of the selection and then the end of the selection, and then I picked a date for where I wanted to move it to. And that is this date, move start of selection to a date. But I can actually also move it by saying how many weeks, days or hours I want to move everything. So let's select that one. I go back, and now I will move the appointments back 2 weeks. Select start. I will then select 3rd of September, and end of selection is 5th of September. And now there's a different screen. I can now select how many weeks I want to move the selection. So I could move it 2 weeks back in time, or I could move it 2 days back in time, or 2 hours. I'll select 2 weeks. I'll select preview, and now I will see everything I moved 2 weeks into the future because I've selected them, and I will move them back. Simple as that.